Hi guys, this is Handheld Fan Pro one from Jisulife, and let's do the unboxing. There's a pouch, and this supposedly should have another cover, and this is the blue color. Let's see what else inside. So over here, there's a lanyard for you to put over here. Okay, I'm going to put that later. And there's also a USB-C cable, as well as a manual in multiple languages. So to put this lanyard, I think it's better to just take this out first. And over here, just push this in. Keep pushing until it's out. Then just put this over it. And that's all. Just put this back. And you're done. Let's take a look at how it looks like. The front, the front here, this is called the air outlet, where the air will come out. And this is the display screen. There's a LED here. And this is the toggle wheel. So behind, this is what we call the air inlet, meaning that air will go in from here. And there's a Type-C input for you to charge this device. And there's a toggle switch. Okay, the toggle switch is for you to on or off, So toggle it up, put it up, push it up, click here. See that? It started. And 52 is the battery level. Okay, then the moment you start pushing it up, this is the fan speed, fan speed. Then you can also see the logo there. So the max would be 100. Okay, and to see how strong it is, you can see from here. This is 100. This is 79. I can see about the same. 60, 40, 29. Okay, so there you go. Pretty strong. So click one more time, it will off it. And this is the blue color. This is the pink color, And this have been used for almost a year now. And not many, there's no scratches. There's no mark of scratches, So it's actually pretty durable. It's just a bit dirty here. I think I can just clean it. I think I just clean it by washing the dirt off. So so it's actually pretty good, She got one, and now I got another one, because she doesn't want to share with me. It's good, So it comes with a 3600 milliamp of battery, which is pretty long using. I can use it for 3-4 hours, if I on it non-stop. So that's how the Handheld Fan Pro 1 from Jisulife looks like. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Bye.